Alright, guys, I'm back. Yesterday I forgot to put some money over there. Today I open, I have for the past 3 months $10 increase, 5.42%. I saw Doge is getting Doge não, Shiba Inu is getting a pump. In the last 3 months increased almost 10%. And it's giving me total return is $6.98. Today I'm gonna invest from yesterday, the $5 from yesterday and the $5 from today. I put in here. Let's see. Okay, AGNC. Gonna buy $10. Make a deposit, okay. $10. Perfect. Continue. Yes, review. $10. $10 AGNC. Done. Maybe later. Guys, let's take a look. Now we have a 208. We will invest $5 a day. We pass how many months? How many days? 24. I think 24, 25, 25 days, 26 days now. So it's almost nothing, but we need to keep doing that. Problem, I think I'm gonna start to do 2-3 orders more because I'm doing delivery and start putting more money on Shiba because Shiba has potential. Somebody, it's a gamble. It's like a risk. It's not for you. I'm just tell what I have in mind, what I want to do. Probably make some money, put some money in Shiba. It's not an investment. Oh, I'm gonna invest. No, I'm waiting for the pump and then sell. Because can happen, the same thing happened with Doge. Let's go very high to the moon and then fall again in the earth, on the earth. But it can be a great opportunity. I think Bitcoin is raising now. It is what it is. We need to have some money to play some game, just only to play, and we need to have some investment. Maybe the game or the play money can give you money, or we can lose the play money. Just why I say if you play with a small amount of money like me, just to understand if you want to do that. I don't think gamble is good. Each one use your brain. Okay, I have my money. Oh, he's telling no. I'm not telling you anything. I'm just show you what I'm doing or what I'm thinking. That's gonna be my next step. I'm gonna put it like $10, $20, maximum $100 to play. Not go, oh, I will be rich if this coin. Nah. Okay, guys. See you in the next one. Até mais. Bye bye. Tchau. Sayonara. Até arrivederci. Bye bye. Tchau.